Hello everybody, 2T1 Waranurat Pangpum. Today I will to teach you about farm animals. Okay, let's see together. What are farm animals? Farm animals are animals that are raised and kept for agricultural purposes. They include cows, chickens, pigs, geese, and many more. They are raised on farms for their meat, dairy products, or to help out the farmers. Okay, let's see the word. Let's see a few examples. Okay, first, sheep. Sheep. Okay, next. Pig. Pig. What does it mean in Thai? หมู Okay, next. Horse. Horse. In Thai, ม้า Okay, next. Cow. Cow. And next. Rooster. Rooster. What does it mean in Thai? ไก่ตัวผู้ Okay, next. Hen. Hen. What does it mean in Thai? แม่ไก่ Okay, next. Goat. Goat. แพะ and donkey. Donkey. What does it mean in Thai? คือลา Okay, next. Goose. Goose. What does it mean in Thai? ห่าน Okay, next. Duck. Duck. And the last one is rabbit. Okay, that brings to the end the presentation. Thank you for your attention, guys. Goodbye.